Hello and welcome to JTV's Jewellery Care and Repair series. I'm John Brooks, one of the jewelers here at JTV. Our lesson today is how to change a watch battery in a watch with a screwback case. Now this will take a specialized tool. This can be found online. I've seen it for as little as $5. And the great thing about it, it's adjustable both up and down and sideways and will accommodate almost any watch that's manufactured. What we need to do is put your watch down on a soft cloth because we don't want to scratch the crystal face. Now, on the back, you'll notice that there are notches here, and they will receive the points that are on this tool here. And you may have to do some adjusting to get it there, but I've already done this. So the top two will fit in over here, and the bottom one, we'll just set that in, and there we go. Now, the action really here is to be pushing down and turning to the left, lefty-loosey. Now, the reason we want to push down is because some of these are on fairly snug, and if you slip off of there, you're going to gouge into the stainless steel back. So let's push down real hard here, and we got some movement. There we go. Come back around again, a little bit more. Now, once you feel that loosen up, you can probably actually get your two thumbs here and start twisting to the left. There we go, and you can feel that almost come right off. Okay, now one thing you'll notice when you do get this back off is there's a rubber gasket that runs all the way around here. That's your water resistance. So make sure that that is still in good condition. Sometimes when you take these backs off, they'll actually come apart because they're perished. And this one looks like it's in good condition. Okay, so if you look inside here, there's another plastic case, which we do need to get out. We'll just use a pair of tweezers to do that. And we'll just, there we go, pull that right out. Now, here we have the battery, and you'll notice that the battery does have a number, and that correlates to the battery that should go in here. And I've brought along a little blister pack with me, and we'll just take that out. This one happens to be a number 395. And with our tweezers, just carefully pry this out of here. There we go, we'll set that aside, and we'll put the new battery in. Now, the numbers should be face up. And there we go. If you've got some canned air laying around, I know a lot of you use them for electronics, why don't we just go ahead and give it a quick burst, and if there's any dust in there, we can get rid of that. So there we go. Okay, all we have to do now is put this case back in here. We'll snap that in, and we'll replace the back. We can gently screw that on with our thumbs first to get it going. There we go. And now we can use a tool to really tighten it up snug. And of course, we do need to get it snug to keep that water resistance. Now, that was fairly easy. Well, thanks for watching our video today. And be sure to check out JTV's channel for more great videos on jewelry care and repair. Come back and see you soon.